Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 GMC Savana Motorhome, a bold fusion of rugged utility and home-like comfort. Designed to handle the open road while offering the features of a compact luxury apartment, the Savana Motorhome is here to impress both campers and long-haul travelers alike. Under the hood, the 2025 Savana Motorhome is powered by a 6.6-liter V8 engine, delivering solid torque and horsepower to handle steep climbs, heavy loads, and cross-country drives. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, it ensures smooth shifting and better fuel efficiency than previous models. GMC has also made improvements in suspension and chassis tuning, giving this motorhome a much smoother ride, even on rough terrain. On the outside, the Savana Motorhome stays true to its boxy, practical design, but with modern updates. LED lighting, a new grille design, and sleek alloy wheels give it a fresh, commanding presence. Multiple storage compartments and rooftop solar panels add to its off-grid capability, making it perfect for extended adventures. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a thoughtfully designed living space. The 2025 model features a slide-out section that expands the interior for extra room. A queen-sized bed, compact kitchen with induction cooktop, microwave, and full-size fridge make everyday living comfortable. There's also a dinette that converts into a second bed, a smart entertainment system with a flat-screen TV, and plenty of USB ports for all your gadgets. The bathroom is fully equipped with a standing shower, toilet, and vanity. Plus, GMC's latest climate control system keeps the interior cozy in winter and cool during the summer. Smart features like app-controlled lighting, tank monitoring, and remote security make this motorhome as tech-savvy as it is practical. Driving this beast feels surprisingly easy. With lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a high-resolution rear-view camera, maneuvering through cities or campgrounds is stress-free. The 2025 GMC Savana Motorhome is a solid step forward in the world of mobile living. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time traveler, this vehicle offers the power, comfort, and technology you need to take the road with confidence.